What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, let's discuss Tesla again. So, I sold my Tesla shares yesterday, and it's not like I sold out of my long hold term positions. I only sold from my swing trading positions. As you can see, Tesla is extremely volatile. I remember these days back in the early 2020 where we seen a lot of volatility. This graph right here is not doing it justice at all, because in reality, the volatility was way more inconsistent with what you're seeing right now. This is very smooth. And if it did move like this, it would be no volatility. But right now, we can see how within the last month, even this is not doing justice. We swing all the way down to 620, and it doesn't show it here. Um, but then we went all the way back up to, I think, 740, and then we swing down again, and then we're back up. So this is a perfect opportunity for people to swing trade Tesla. I do it in an account that's different from this one. As you can see, I still hold 5 shares in here, which has not changed for the last year. But I do it in another account, my Ally Invest account, where I do most of my swing trading. So it's very important that I'm swing trading, because I think that Tesla is going to be flat for a little while longer. And that's not a bad thing. It's actually a good thing to see that it is hanging up there, even though it's not at 800 or close to 900. It's still hanging up here in the 700s. So that's good. But again, there would need to be major news to take it back up to 900. And I think that Tesla has already had an amazing run, and it's going to need to slow down some, which is not a big deal. So I sold my shares. I'm going to buy back in when I reach a lower cost basis. I think I bought in like 690 or something like that. So I'll buy back in when it's lower than that. Hopefully it gets there. I'm not trying to wish bad on the stock. What it's doing right now is very good, consolidating, and I do believe long term in the stock. But this is a perfect opportunity to swing trade. So this is how I think about Tesla. I want you guys to give me your opinions too, if you have any. I think that at the end of this year, we may see it at $1,000, but it depends on the next earnings. Because as you can see, we missed earnings this year, or for this past quarter, fourth quarter, and this miss is not good. But again, it's a seasonal thing, in my opinion. I think that um, it's usually closer to its estimate around this year, but it gets better in quarter two, which is not the next quarter. It's the quarter after that. But we're going to need to see some major growth happening in the company. Their numbers are going to need to be rock solid for people to buy at this high valuation. Because again, throwing out $700 for a stock that has had one stock split, it's not something that I won't do, because I've looked at Microsoft and Apple, and I've seen that even at their high valuations, people still threw money at it because they believed in the stock. Same for Tesla. My only problem is holding on to dead money, right? I think that's the term that they use when you buy at a certain price, and let's say it goes down 10%. So you're just holding on to a stock that, has not increased in the last month, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. So that's kind of something that kind of bothers me a little bit. I would rather swing trade like I'm doing right now. All my other Tesla stocks, I have a good margin. As you can see, my average cost is 158 right here. But look at the price right now. So that's a good margin of safety that I have. So I'm feel very comfortable with that. But if I were to buy Tesla right now at this price, who knows when we're going to see it back at 800? Maybe tomorrow, maybe a month, 2, 3 months from now. So it all depends. And in the long run, I think that Tesla is a great buy. I'm just starting to swing trade it now, because I think that is the best option. So hope you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.